ओके राइट. सो आई होप कि लाइट या कॉन्सेप्ट सबको क्लियर होगा, हाँ या ना. हम लोगों ने एनसीईआरटी डिस्कस कर लिया था. ओके राइट. सबको याद है कि नहीं? सबको याद है? थैंक यू आदित्य. सेम टू एवरीवन. हैप्पी एडवांस रिपब्लिक डे. Sricharan, you worry a lot, right? Everything will be informed ना. ठीक है. Don't worry about it. Thank you, Tavishkas. Happy Republic Day in advance. Okay, Sricharan, everyone. ठीक है. I was preoccupied with something, right? Lots of tests going on, lots of paper correction, all the things. So just, right? That's why we are doing, right? We are discussing this. Very good, Sang. Very good, Tavishka. Very good, right? जिसने इसे notes बना रखा है, बहुत अच्छे. तुम लोग सब कुछ कर लोगे, है ना. और मैंने ऑलरेडी लाइट का वो शेयर कर दिया है, हाँ या ना? टेल मी. नोट्स मैंने एक्स्ट्रा नोट्स भी शेयर किया है. ठीक है, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे ही मैंने डाल दिया था. सो आई हैव शेयर्ड एवरीथिंग. आई होप कि तुम लोग कल काफी अच्छा करो. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन गाइस, फर्स्ट वन, टेल मी व्हाट्स द आंसर. फर्स्ट वन. Okay, I'm getting multiple answer also. I'm getting A also. I'm getting B also. C also. So Buju and Pahili were given one mirror each by their teacher, right? Buju found his image to be erect and of the same size, whereas Paheli found her image erect and the smaller size. है ना? So Buju और पहली पास कौन कौन से mirror हैं? We know that if it is erect and same size, then it is plane mirror. Yes or no? Very good, very good, very good, Shravya, right? जिसने इसे notes में आके very good. So plane mirror. So answer B cut गया, answer C this cut गया. Now we know that erect and smaller in size. That is what we use in rear view mirror, हाँ या ना? Right? And that is your convex mirror. So the answer should be C. Okay? So the correct answer is C. Clear? सबको concept clear हो गया? है ना? Very good. Okay. Second one. Which of the following can we? Okay, wait. चला गया ज़्यादा. Okay. Second one. Which of the following can be used to form real image? Tell me. Real image. We know that real image is formed by intersection of rays, right? So concave mirror, convex mirror. No, na. We have studied, right? We have studied. What is the answer? Concave mirror, right? है ना? Concave mirror. I hope all of you remember this. Convex mirror form virtual image, na? Tell me. Right? Akshit? The answer is A, concave mirror. हाँ या ना? Agree everyone, because convex mirror form virtual image. ठीक है? Right? Okay? Next. Next. Third one. The object is placed at a distance of 0.5 meter in front of plane mirror. The distance between the object and the image. Yes, very good. Correct. Correct, Aditya. Correct, Yukti. Right? Correct, Shravya. Everyone is correct in this. Shravya? No, Shravya, your answer is not correct. Right? Sorry. Because we know that, think about it, if we have someone who over here, the image will be here. This distance is given by 0.5. This distance is also 0.5. So what is total distance between object and the image? हम लोगों ने किया ना step by step. Right? One. The answer is 1. Got it? Third is 1. हाँ या ना? Got it? Yes or no? Okay, सबको समझ में आ रहा है concept? The image distance is equal to object distance. Okay, right? So it will be 1. Fourth, question of fourth. You are provided with concave mirror, a convex mirror, a concave lens and convex lens. Remember, the nature of image of concave mirror and convex lens are same. Remember this. Concave mirror, right? याद हो सबको. और convex lens behave in same way, behave similarly, right? है ना? Both are converging and the nature of image also same. ठीक है? Right? ये याद रखना. Note it down and याद रखना. Okay? So to obtain an enlarged image of an object, you can use either enlarged image. ठीक है? So enlarged means converge or diverge. ये ना कहीं तो आया है ये. नहीं श्राव्या, सिंपल enlarge ना, think about it. ऐसे सोचना. Convex mirror is used for what? Convex mirror is used for what? नाम ही सोचो. Convex mirror किसमें यूज होता है? रियर व्यू मिरर में, हाँ या ना? रियर व्यू मिरर में, कार में, बाइक में, रियर व्यू मिरर में. यस, वेरी गुड तविष्का. एंड रियर व्यू मिरर में तुमको छोटा दिखता है कि बड़ा दिखता है? टेल मी. बहुत बहुत बेसिक सोचना है. वेरी गुड ऋषिका, करेक्ट, राइट?
नो रियर व्यू मिरर में छोटा दिखता है ना, छोटा दिखता है. ग्रेट एवरीवन.
ओके, यस. सो नॉर्मली देखो, कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत क्लियर होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. एवरीवन शुड हैव वेरी क्लियर कॉन्सेप्ट, राइट? द रियर व्यू मिरर will have small size wide area, हाँ या ना? प्रैक्टिकली तुम लोगों ने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा, राइट? सो मिक्स मत करो, कंफ्यूज मत हो. स्मॉल साइज होता है बट वाइड एरिया होता है. एंड हियर वी नीड, राइट, enlarged enlarged image. So convex mirror तो नहीं होगा, convex mirror नहीं होगा. So concave mirror, and we know that concave mirror behave as convex lens. So the answer is, tell me, B. ठीक है? किसी को दिक्कत है यहाँ पे? Got this? Yes, concave mirror or convex lens, correct. Okay, next. स्टेप बाय स्टेप सारे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होने चाहिए. जो मैंने नोट्स भेजा था उसमें सब कुछ लिखा हुआ था ऑलरेडी. फिफ्थ वन, a rainbow can be seen in the sky. Now बताइए, सबको वीडियो याद होगा. रेनबो कैन बी सीन इन स्काई व्हेन सन इज बिहाइंड यू और इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. प्रैक्टिकली ऑब्जर्व भी किए होगे. सिंपल, बिहाइंड यू और इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. वेरी गुड पूर्वी, वेरी गुड श्रीचरण. यस, द आंसर इज व्हेन द सन इज बिहाइंड यू, है ना? द लाइट शुड बी बिहाइंड यू, राइट? So Vishka, it is behind you. It should be behind you because it is due to dispersion ना. I hope तुम सबको dispersion याद होगा. हम लोगों ने वीडियो भी देखा था, right? Dispersion होता है तो क्या होता है? Light behind you, okay, get dispersed by the droplets, tiny droplets, right? है ना? Okay. I'll again send this video if you get doubt, right? मैं भेज दूंगा. The answer is B. The sun is behind you. Sixth one. An erect and enlarged image can be formed by. An erect and enlarged image can be formed by. Wait. ज़्यादा ऊपर चला गया. ये हम लोगों ने अभी देखा है ना, अभी देखा है। And erect and enlarge, erect and enlarge. So this is repeated. This is repeated, right? ये repeated हो गया ना? Concave. We just studied, right? This concave. Very good. Tavishka, correct. है ना? Tavishka, सही है. आदित्य, गलत है. Right? So the answer is B. B. Rishika, correct. सही Rishika. Very good. Right? Brinda, correct. Shichan, correct. Aditya, got it. B. अभी ये repeated है ना? We just saw this, right? It is repeated. Seventh, you are provided with convex mirror, a concave mirror, and convex lens and concave lens. You get an inverted image from जो रियल होगा वही इन्वर्टेड होगा, जो रियल होगा वही इन्वर्टेड होगा. नो तो विश्का सिंपल, जो रियल होगा वही इन्वर्टेड होगा ना. वी नो दैट in concave mirror and convex lens, concave mirror, concave, or see, concave and convex are same, the nature of image is same, they form real image, or real ही inverted होगा generally. So it is concave mirror and convex lens. ठीक है. Seventh, right? C, concave mirror and convex lens. ठीक है. Got it? Everyone got this? See? Yes, Shishan, correct. Everyone got this? है ना? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. ठीक है. 8-1, 8-1. Yes, very good. An image formed by lens is erect, right? Such an image could be. हम लोगों ने अभी देखा, ऊपर से ऊपर का ही आंसर है कि नहीं? ऊपर का ही आंसर है, right? Concave lens, we get inverted, sorry, concave lens, है ना? Concave lens, right? Okay. Now image is smaller, yes or no? उल्टा एकदम उल्टा उसका. The answer is B. The answer is B. B is the correct answer. ठीक है. Yes, very good, Rishika. Very good. Brinda, it is B. Brinda, it is B. Brinda, it is B. ठीक है. Smaller ना, क्योंकि सेम चीज नहीं होगा ना, उल्टा होगा, right? Okay. Next. Ninth one. Seventh answer again, I told you, concave mirror and convex lens. B. Seventh is B. Ninth one. Everyone tell me, ninth one. Tell me. The image formed by lens is always virtual, right? Erect and smaller in size. है ना? So an object kept at different position in front of it, identify the nature of this lens. Seventh का C, concave mirror and convex lens. Seventh is C, right? Very good, very good. C, देखो ना, आंसर तुम्हारा ऊपर दिया हुआ है, इसका आंसर 8th देख लो ना, 8th देख लो. Virtual, erect, smaller, right? है ना? Yes or no? Erect, smaller, and virtual also. So which is this lens? Which is this lens? Tell me, which is this lens? Answer ऊपर ही दिया हुआ है कि नहीं? Right? Concave, yes. Answer is 8 ना, 8-1 is given. Concave, very good. Confused नहीं होना है, right? Confused नहीं होना है बिल्कुल भी. Concave. Okay, very good, Arav. Now, 9th is done. 10th one. Okay. Just give me a minute. Yes. Now 10th A. The inner surface of steel spoon act as dash mirror. Tell me, the inner surface act as concave. Very good. Cave types होता है ना, cave type, right? Like this. So concave, concave, cave type. The outer surface of flat steel plate act as the outer surface of flat steel plate. Plane. Very good. Very good, Rishika. Very good, Devika. Plane. Very good. Very good, Fishan. Third, the outer shining surface of round bottom steel bowl act as outer surface. Convex. Very good. Convex. Convex. Okay. See, convex, right? The inner surface of reflector of a torch. The inner surface of the reflector of the torch. Last one. Concave. Very good. It is concave. Now D is concave. Yes. Concave. Easy. Easy. Very good. Very good. See how smart you guys are. Right? Next. Question number 11. State whether the following element statements are true and false. Okay. State the following true. First, concave lens can be used to produce an enlarged erect image. False, we studied no, not enlarged, छोटा होता है. False, very good, very good. First is false. The convex lens always produces a real image. Always, always, it is written always. So tell me, no, not always. Right? False. I hope all of you remember there's one case in which, right, it forms virtual image, right? Which case? When the image is between focus and this optical center. Because if we have image over here, it will form and tell me, virtual and erect image. Clear hai? Right? Both in case of concave mirror and convex lens. Right? So the answer is false. C. The side of an object and its image formed by concave mirror are always interchanged. Tell me, C. Yes, true. Anna, true. Okay. D. An object can be seen only if it's emit light. False. Very good. False. Anna, because it can reflect light. Now the thing is, it should reflect light. False. Very good. ठीक है? So ये हमारा हो गया. Very good. Correct. So we are done with this. Next, question number 12. What type of mirror is used as side mirror in a scooter? Why is this mirror a mirror chosen? I hope हम लोगों ने बहुत डिस्कस कर लिया अब तक. 12th one. हम लोगों ने ये बहुत डिस्कस किया है. Which kind of mirror? Very good. Convex mirror, right? Shaga convex ना. अभी हम लोगों ने देखा convex because it forms smaller image and give wider range, right? Wider area. है ना? Convex. Yes, the answer is convex. Why? Because the image is small and it gives wider area. Yes, small and virtual. Yes, correct. Right? तो ज्यादा पीछे तक का देख सकते हैं ना. Very good, Devika. Very good. सही है. Right? Because see, when you talk about scooter or car, you want to see the larger area behind your car or scooter, है ना? ठीक है. 13th one. Observe the figure as shown. Okay. Now tell me, in this case, what is happening? It is converging or diverging? First one, converging or diverging?
Converging.
Converging, right? So which lens is converging lens? Which lens is converging lens? I hope all of you remember that, sir, convex is converging and concave is diverging. तो ये सबको याद होगा. Agree? Got it? Right? Very good. Very good. Yes, सही है. See how smart you guys are. This chapter was pretty easy. 14th. 14th, everyone. Bujo made light from the laser. Okay, Bujo made light from a laser torch to fall on prism. Will he be able to observe a band of 7 colors? Explain with a reason. Tell me. Yes. No, no, Brinda, no. Why? Because laser है, white light नहीं है. This is laser, right? Laser torch. A laser torch, I hope सबने देखा होगा ना, laser torch से play खेला होगा, right? Yes, because laser torch give only one type of light. It does not, right, emits white light. Clear है? Yes, Purvi, correct, right? है ना? So since laser light do not have white light, do not emit white light, okay, right? Instead emit light of only one color, it will not split it into different colors. As simple as that, right? Got it? ठीक है? यही अगर लेजर टॉर्च की जगह नॉर्मल व्हाइट लाइट होता, व्हाइट टॉर्च होता, तो yes. Okay, now here you have to just mention Vibgyor. Got it? Right, Arav? What happened, Arav? You didn't play? Okay, so I had lots of torch, right? Laser torch around 20, 25 sets for students, but some students, they just took it away, right? Where you can play from lasers. There were different design also. I don't have any now, but yeah. Now, you have to mention Vibgyor, right? Vibgyor. Tell me, which is Vibgyor? This is violet, this is red, or this is violet and this is red? Tell me. Actually, it is the correct. Got it? Right? Deflection will be least, okay, in red and most in violet. Okay? Got it in this case. In figure A. In figure A, first is red and seventh is violet. Now, you know, in this case, first is violet and seventh is red. ठीक है? सबको समझ में आ गया? हाँ या ना? सबको समझ में आ गया? Yes? Remember this. बाकी तो बीच का पता ना, Vibgyor, right? बाकी बीच का उसी ऑर्डर में. Right? You just know what is the first and last. Remaining, you can just remember the order Vibgyor. 16th one. 16 बताओ क्या होगा? Yes, Purvi, they are school like named Vibgyor, that I know. 16th कौन बताएगा? Purvi, can you explain 16th? Can you speak?
Yes, sir, I'm audible.
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes, the question is that the side mirror of a scooter got broken. The mechanical replaced it with a plain mirror. Mention any inconvenience that the driver of the scooter will face while driving it. So the problem would for the driver that that person cannot see the traffic speed over large area behind him. What is going behind the large area, he won't be able to see it.
Yes, that's correct. Second?
Sir, 17th question.
No, 16th only 1 point. That's
Yeah,
it, right? See,
sir.
normally we can talk about 2 points, right? First, the size of the image, right? Whenever we talk about the plane mirror, the size of the image will be big. So he cannot see many objects behind him, right? And second, the area that you spoke about, that area covered will be very less. So he cannot find, or sorry, he cannot see the traffic behind him, right? So that's correct. Okay.
Yeah,
Right?
sir.
Very good, Purvi.
Yeah, sir. Got it.
Very good, Purvi. You can unmute yourself. Now, 17th one. Who will say 17th? Devika, can you say?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Devika.
So the beam of the light from the torch, will that be diffused from the lower intensity? So because like rusted reflecting surface is there, so
Okay, so you said that if it is rusted, right? Hana, then it will emit or it will reflect with low intensity. Hana?
yes, sir.
Okay? Right? Okay, that's correct. Right? That's correct. So you can say the brightness will be less. The brightness will be less because of this reflection due to rusted concave reflecting surface. As simple as that, right? है ना? ठीक है. 18th who will say? 18th who will say? So 18th, let me ask someone who said before, right? Okay. Esther, you can say 19. Arav, you can say, can you say 18th? Arav, can you say 18th? Then Esther, you will say 19. Arav?
An erect and enlarged image of an object is formed on a screen. Explain how this could be possible. This could be possible by a convex lens.
Yeah, you are not audible.
This
Arav,
could
tell
be
me.
possible by a convex lens.
Very good. Right? This is possible by convex lens, but you should also tell what is the position, right? What is the position? So we have discussed now convex lens, the image formed by convex lens is same, right? The nature of image by convex lens is same as that of the concave mirror. Hi Anna, how many of you remember this? Yes or no?
Sir, it should be on the focus.
No, focus, if it is on the focus, then it would be same, na? It would be of same, right? So we studied that, okay, focus, I hope all remember, this is center of curvature. So if any object is behind center of curvature, then the object form is between focus and center of curvature, which is smaller in size, है ना? Right? Ups and down and small in size. But if any object is between this, center of curvature and focus, then the object is enlarged and behind center of curvature. Okay, so that you have to mention. Okay, that you have to mention that. Okay, that we can have erect and enlarged image of an object formed on screen by either concave mirror or convex lens, right? When object is between focus and center of curvature. Clear है? सबको समझ में आ गया? Everyone got this? Tell me. Everyone got this? Yes or no? Okay. Hi Anna. Tell me guys, yes or no? Can you hear me? Can you
Yes,
hear
sir.
me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 19th, as I said, 19th. Esther, tell me 19th.
Yes,
Then
sir.
20 Rishika can say. Yeah, Esther, tell
Yes,
me
sir.
19th one.
The lens is a convex. Okay. The lens is a convex lens if the letters appear magnified, and the lens is concave if the image appears shorter.
Okay. ठीक है. Two different type of lens are placed on a sheet of newspaper. How will you identify? Correct. If it is magnified, then it is your convex lens because the image is enlarged. We know that image is enlarged using convex lens, right? And if it is shorter, then it is diminished, right? It is small. So it is your concave lens, right? Very good. Now 21. Rishika, can you say 21? Rishika, can you hear me? Rishika is here, right? Rishika, can you answer this? Are you using laptop?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Rishika, question number 20. A shopkeeper wanted. Yeah, tell me.
So the shopkeeper can use a convex mirror because it can form images of objects spread over a large area.
Yes, correct. Very good, right? सही है ना? Okay. So he can use convex mirror because it can give a wider view, है ना, to the shopkeeper. Okay. Very good. Okay. So question number 21, who I'll ask? Okay. Wait. I know those people who can answer for sure, right? I'm not giving them. I'm giving those students who. Okay. Yukti, tell me. Question number 21. Yukti, question number 21.
Okay, sir. In case of convex mirror, when we move the object away from the lens, the size of image decrease ultimately when object is at infinite distance. A point image is formed at the focus of lens.
Okay, ठीक है. पहले क्वेश्चन देखो एक बार. I guess there's some issue with this answer. First question समझो क्या है? Distance between object and convex lens is changing, right? है ना? So what you said, now if it is changing, you have two things. Either it is going toward or going away. It is noticed that the size of image formed on the screen is decreasing. If it is decreasing, think about it, right? If it is decreasing, then it should go away or toward the lens. Tell me. Think about it. नहीं सही था, right? Moving away. Very good. Moving away, है ना? Right? Got it? So I can say in this the object moves away from it, right? So Devika, it was correct, almost correct, but है ना, language से देख लो, है ना? Correct, right? It will move away because as the object will be infinity, the image will be a point, right? Okay. Now, question number 22. We'll say. Tuvishka, can you say question number 22, Tuvishka? Tuvishka, tell me, can you say question 22? Everyone just read the question. Question 22. Okay, ठीक है. So, I'll ask Devik this. Shravya, tell me. 22, can you answer Shravya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So the question is, suppose we wish to obtain the real image of a distant tree. Explain two possible ways in which we can do it. Sir, the two options can be either by using concave or convex lens. If we are using concave lens,
No. Shravya, concave mirror.
Yeah, sir. Concave mirror or convex lens, because both act in the same way.
Yes, concave mirror and convex lens, right? But there's one thing that you should mention, where the tree should be kept, right? It should be.
If we are using concave mirror, the distance between the mirror and the object is beyond the focus.
Should be between, है ना? Between focus and center of curvature, not beyond focus, right? Between, अभी मैंने देखा ना, focus and center of curvature. Curvature in both the cases, ठीक है, याद रखो ये, ठीक है? Got it? Okay? Yes or no? But here it is given as distant tree, right? Distant means very far, है ना? Right? So normally it should be between this, right? But it is very far. So if it is very far, then it should be where? Then it should be kept where? At the focus, है ना? Then the image, real image is formed at the focus. Yes or no? Yes or no? No, it will be on the focus, na Sricharan, because if an object is kept on infinity, the image is formed on the focus in case of concave mirror and convex lens. Sricharan, see, first of all, this word, we should note this word. Distant tree means very far, hai na, very far, right? Which can be considered as infinity. So if you talk about convex lens, so we know that in convex lens, the light coming from infinity will meet at focus, yes or no, right? So image will form at focus, clear hai, right? Real image will be formed at focus, right? So this is the case of convex lens. The same thing will happen in concave mirror, okay? Got it, everyone? Got this? Okay, now next question number 23. Who will say question number 23? Amisha, can you say question number 23? Daksh, tell me, will you say question number 23, Daksh? Tell me, Daksh. Devika, I guess Daksh is having some issues. Whom I should ask? Tanmay, tell me, Tanmay, 23. Tanmay, can you speak, Tanmay? Yes. Tanmay, can you speak? Tanmay, Daksh, Amisha, any of you? Okay, I'm assuming that none of you know the answer. Nandish, Niketan. Nandish, can you speak? Niketan? ऐसे तो बहुत बोलते निकेतन. Niketan and Nandish.
Sir, Nandish.
Okay, Nandish, yeah, tell me. Nandish, 23, Nandish. Tell me, what is the answer?
Sir, just a minute.
Okay. Write the points, okay? Whenever you try to solve problem, write the points, right? It was observed when the distance between object and lens decreases, the size of the image increases, okay? What is the nature of this lens, right? If you keep decreasing the distance between the object and the lens, you will still be able to obtain the image on the screen. Explain. Tell me. We have just discussed it. है ना? Right? The answer is same as the answer of 22. The answer is same as the answer of 22. Yes or no? Yeah, tell me.
Sir, if distance is decreasing between object and lens, the size of image increases. Then the nature of the lens is convex type. Now,
Yes, very good.
distance between object and lens is less than the focal length of the lens, then it will form a virtual image which cannot be obtained on a screen.
ठीक है, okay, right? Are you answering by yourself or you are looking at some place?
No, sir.
Tell me. Right? कहाँ से देख रहे हो नंदीश?
Sir, बस पता था बोल दिया.
पता तो था बट अभी तो देख रहे हो ना है कि नहीं? ठीक है, okay, I'm just kidding, right? Okay, so that is what we have studied, na? That is what we have studied, right? I hope all of you remember, Anna, that when you talk about this, okay, so if the object is beyond center of curvature, okay, if the object is beyond center of curvature, the image is between focus and center of curvature. If the object is on the center of curvature, the image is also on the center of curvature. If the image is between, then it is, sorry, ulta, this like this. But if the image is between focus and pole, so the image will become like this, है ना? Virtual image. Clear? Okay. Now last one, who will answer? Question 24.
Sir,
last
can
question.
I answer this time?
Okay, Daksh, answer.
Sir, so the question is, you are given 3 types of different types of mirror. How will you identify each one of them? So we can identify by standing at different position. Like it will be convex, then it will look different. It will be concave, then it will look different. So we can stand at different position and we can.
Your answer is correct, right? That's correct, but it is practical, right? When you have to answer, you have to write the nature of image also, है ना? So the best part is just write the nature of image that you have already studied, है ना? Right? Okay. Esther, you have said once, na? You have answered once, right?
Sir,
Manyata, tell me. Manyata, can you answer? Manyata, Mansa, anyone?
Sir, question number 24.
Yes, 24. Answer, you have to write the points also, na? So we have 3 kind of image. Sorry, mirrors: plane, concave, and convex. So you have to write the nature of image by all the 3. Okay, that's it, what you have to do. So tell me. Manita, tell me.
send the answer in the chat box.
Sir, should I explain that how should we identify each one of them?
Yes.
Sir, if
Sir,
it
I've
is a
sent the
plane,
answer
sir,
in the
if
chat.
it is a plane mirror, it will be virtual and same size as of the object, that is.
Very good. Virtual and same
And
size.
yes, sir. And in concave mirror, it will be real or virtual, or it will be magnified.
Real,
virtual,
right? Okay,
or magnified.
It is erect or inverted?
So it's
inverted, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
right?
Yes.
It can be virtual, it can be real, it can be diminished, it can be enlarged, depending on the position. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What about convex?
Sir, in convex, it will be virtual erect, sir. Virtual and the erect.
Virtual, erect,
and erect.
And small in size.
And diminished.
Yes, sir.
Okay, got it? Clear? Everyone is clear in this chapter? Sabko samajh mein aa gaya?
Yes,
that
sir.
was my
Sir, I had sent the answer in the chat box because it was small.
Okay, ठीक है, चलो. Right? Okay, very good, everyone.